Pip, the littlest cloud in Skyland, was a wisp of fluff amidst giants. He yearned to join his booming siblings on rain-making sprees and thunderous parades, but his puffs were barely whispers in the wind. Lost and lonely, Pip's tears often sprinkled the meadows below, forming delicate rainbows that mocked his insignificance. One starlit night, as Pip sobbed against a crescent moon, a deep voice rumbled beside him. "Little cloud," it boomed, "why such a downpour?" Pip turned to see Nimbus, the oldest cloud in Skyland, his form streaked with lightning and crowned with auroras. He listened patiently as Pip poured out his woes, ending with a whimper. "I'm too small for grand adventures, for dreams painted across the sky." Nimbus chuckled, a sound like distant thunder. "Child," he rumbled, "dreams have no size. Hold on to yours, the one that makes your wisps dance, and follow it with every puff." Pip's eyes widened. He breathed, "is to paint the world with rainbows, as grand as the sunrises and as playful as butterflies' wings." Nimbus smiled, a crackle of sunlight through storm clouds. "Then chase it, little one. Let the wind be your brush, the sun your colours, and the rain your canvas. The world awaits your masterpiece." Emboldened, Pip puffed out his chest, a tiny cloud with a giant yearning. His journey was a whirlwind. He raced with mischievous breezes, tickled sleepy mountains with raindrops, and danced with fireflies under twinkling stars. He learned from chatty raindrops the secrets of cloud weaving, from gruff thunderheads the roar of power, and from playful butterflies the joy of colour. He braved howling storms that threatened to tear him apart, basked in the sun's golden embrace, and learned to laugh alongside dancing hailstones. He witnessed the magic of glaciers birthing rivers and the fiery dances of volcanoes paint. Every raindrop he shed, every rainbow he cast, was a brushstroke on his grand canvas. Finally, after days of wonder, Pip found his way back to Skyland. His siblings, once towering giants, gasped at his tales and the breathtaking rainbow that trailed him, a shimmering reflection of his adventures. Pip, the littlest cloud, had become a living legend, a testament to the power of a dream held close. Pip never stopped exploring, carrying within him the spirit of Nimbus and the light of his big blue dream. He painted rainbows of hope across storm-wrecked skies, whispered courage to drooping flowers with soft dewdrops, and reminded everyone, from mighty mountains to tiniest birds, that even the smallest can paint their own masterpieces across the canvas of the world. So, dear adventurer, hold on to your dreams, no matter how small they seem. Let them fill your heart with sunshine and your voice with song. With every puff of courage and every raindrop of perseverance, you too can paint your own rainbows across the sky, proving that even the littlest of us can leave a mark on the world, as vast and wondrous as the endless blue above.